So today we are gonna unbox the Redmi Buds 3 Youth Edition. It was released alongside with the Redmi Note 11 and Redmi Watch 2, which I already did a video about it. You can check out from the link on the screen. On the back we have some highlights: Bluetooth 5.2, single earbud mode, and non-battery life, and low latency mode, IP54, waterproofing and dust proofing, and Type-C port. And the whole thing weighs only like 3.5 grams or something. Yeah, I have data from Simi. Please subscribe to Simi's channel for the gesture control and water quality. I will use Simi's footage, so make sure to check out her channel. Okay, let's unbox it. So open the box. We have obviously the Redmi Buds 3 Youth. I like this kind of matte finish. It doesn't got the fingerprints, feels smooth. And then, okay, we have, this is a little bit different from the other earbuds I've unboxed before. So it has this kind of cat-like coil, can I say that? And then it has two pair of ear tips. Anyway, let's put it aside. Then we got Chinese manual. Since it's Chinese version, it's Chinese manual. Yeah, that's it. We don't have any cables, and that's all in the box. Ooh, so the first time you open it, you take the thing out, and we have this film protection. It says, please get rid of it. Okay, that's it. And then we have to put it back. That's quite a standard, right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me pair it. Okay, this is the first time I'm pairing it. Of course, turn on the Bluetooth and then open the case. Go to Bluetooth list, find the Redmi Buds Youth. I don't think you need to take it out, right? Okay, seems you have to take it out. Okay, just open the box and take the thing out, and then you press. Okay, click pair. Boom, it's paired. Once the paired, you can see the indicator on the earbuds goes off. And that's it. Alright, that's it. So now let me listen to some songs, watch some porns, and get back to you. Maybe I will play some games and tell you the latency. Goodbye. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So I've been using it for the couple of days, and to be honest, actually recommend it. For several reasons. First, of course, the price, unbeatable price. That thing costs you only $16. I mean, how can Xiaomi earn some money from this, right? $16, Jesus. Wow, so cheap, so good, cost friendly, right? Just like Geekbank's W11 shopping spree, there are crazy deals, massive coupons there. Please check out the link in the description. The second is, with this kind of price, you get a really good build quality. This doesn't feel very cheap actually for this kind of price. I really love how comfortable it is. You see, it comes with this kind of extra ear tip. So it gives you this kind of extra steadiness in your ear. So no matter how hard you shake, it's hard to sleep, because normally earbuds with this kind of design are very easy to slip from your ears, but this is not. I tried it. I tried to ride on the bike or even run. It's all good. It's really, really good. Very steady. The third is the audio quality. Yeah, I really love it. It has this kind of punch bass and full-bodied. You know, it's got a little bit muffled, but the audio quality is great. I will just put them at the end of this video, and I really love the audio quality. And you know what? I thought with this kind of price, it would be like got lots of lag, but I tried to watch different movies or different videos, different songs with it. It basically got zero lags, or I didn't feel it, or it doesn't have this obvious lag. It's all good, really good. Though I haven't tried gaming, not because I'm not a gaming guy. I would have assumed this doesn't, have much lag and pretty usable. And yeah, so overall, I'm really, really happy to recommend this little God, I mean, yeah, just check it out. It's just $16. What else you want from it, right? So yeah, that's the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm Samuel. I will see you in the next while. Bye bye. And all right, just hit on the ground, and it seems all good. Yeah, the beauty quality is all good. Not bad, you see. See you.
Now let's talk about the gesture control. You can press and hold to play or pause the music. Press 2 times to go to the next song. Press 3 times to access the voice assistant. For callings, if you want to answer one call, press 2 times. To hang up, press 3 times. And if you receive a call and you want to refuse it, press 3 times. Please leave in the comments what do you think about Redmi Buds 3 Youth version, and don't forget to check the other videos I already released. And if you like the content, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!